red detox tea that makes you lose weight better than green detox tea ever could. Green tea has long been acknowledged for its health and wellness benefits, including weight loss assistance. The evidence is irrefutable. But are we overlooking something better? It is true that green tea contains powerful antioxidants. These components contribute to minimizing health risks such as cancer and cardiovascular disease. As a weight loss expert, it has been my primary goal to share practical tips and tricks for those pursuing optimal health. In upholding my obligation to transparency, I am about to reveal how green tea, although beneficial, is gradually losing value in the light of its delicious rival, rooibos. Rooibos, also known as red tea, is equally high in antioxidants, however sourced from different substances to that of green tea. The antioxidants contained in rooibos, asparagine and naphthophagen, are comparatively rare, and help to regulate blood sugar, reduce excessive fat production, stress, and inhibit metabolic disorders. After the results of recent studies, alongside my own findings related to the major players in sustainable weight loss, I consider red tea an essential. In addition to preventing heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's and more, it is an accessible and effective answer to weight gain. This year I began the production of my red tea detox. The primary goal was to harness the incredible benefits of rooibos whilst combining the ingredient with a number of other, equally valuable elements. Rooibos means red bush. The plant is readily available, with leaves that turn red upon fermentation. With so much potential to assist with our health and wellness journeys, I considered it wrong to ignore the strength of the plant. Unlike green tea, red tea does not contain caffeine, and therefore drinking the blend at night won't leave you restless. Another factor of its ultimate superiority is simply taste. The bitterness of green tea is often attributed to its high tannin content, which is less prevalent in red tea. Many health products do not aim to bridge the gap between adults and young children, but the pursuit of health is of equal importance for both demographics, which is why I've designed a recipe that caters to all ages and tastes, with the inclusion of a sweetened version of the recipe. This particular red tea detox program is fresh and matchless, already actively transforming lives since its launch. Want more details? Click the link below this video, where you see the published or description box today.